Hi, this is Tony from TonySourcing.com. Now I'm in the biggest toy showroom in Shantou. In here, there's thousands of factories and millions of toys. In here is not the wholesale market. Here is the place where the factory show their sample to you and you can buy variety toys here. In here, you can find a very good quality product for your brand. In here, they provide a good quality material because behalf of them is the real manufacturer in local. In local, there's over 10,000 different kind of toy manufacturer. They know what is the good material for the toys, what is the good packaging, what is the good trends for your market. The most important part here, you can find different kind of packaging for the toys, like the window box, like the color box, like the display. So the manufacturer, they can offer you different style of packaging. You know, the packaging is very important for your product because your customer buy the toys. If they have a good packaging, it can sell by itself because the consumer will see, okay, how it looks like. This is called display box. This is for supermarket. This is called the color box. It's for the online sellers. Of course, another one is called the window box. So you can see through the product from this packaging. So if you have an idea to create a new toys, here the manufacturer can make your idea become true. So they provide the OEM service and ODM service. Now I will explain to you what is ODM and OEM. For OEM, is use the factory machine to produce the product you want. For example, you see something here is the factory molding, and you tell the factory, okay, I wanted to change the packaging, I wanted to change the printing, I wanted to make my own color. Then it's called OEM. The factory can do it for you, just change something based on the product. You don't find the samples. Similar to here, you can tell the factory of us what is your idea, what is the product size, what is the idea you have. Then the factory have some experience. They will tell you what kind of material, what kind of packaging, what kind of size toys can build up to make your final product toys. So this is called ODM. It's called developing solution for your toys. So if you have a toy brands, you don't have a factory, then you can come to here to find the factory, cooperate with you, and of course we are TonySourcing. We will help you to connect with the factory, and then we'll give you a better solution for the whole process to build up your production lines.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel now so you can get my video update every week.
Okay, if your design is not ready, you don't find the exactly product toys you want, we can help. For example, you don't find the design, you don't like the packaging, you don't like the material, the product is too expensive, so you can let us know your idea. In here, the manufacturer, they know how to use the better material to change it to match your requirement. For example, they change a different kind of material without losing the quality. They changing the packaging to save the volume, to save your cost, and so on. So all is possible here. When you come to here, of course, we will invite the factory to come to this showroom, and then we sit together to talk about how to change the packaging, how to change the material. Finally, it can build a exactly fixed unique product for you. If you have a toy brand, you wanted to change the toys, you have your toys color, you have your toys packaging, you have your color design, that is no problem actually. For the factory, they have the designer. Of course, we have the designer to help you to build up your product. For example, you can take the sample from here. You tell the factory, okay, I like this design, but I wanted to add my logo here. I wanted to do with my logo color, and the final packaging need to make it smaller. Yes, that is workable here because the factory here is support you to build up your toy brands. In here, they don't ask a very high quantity like 10,000 pieces to test the market. They can start with a small order for you to test the market. So if you are interested, please let us know what kind of product you are interested in. We will ask some factory to send you the matching catalog for you for reference first. And then if you are interested, you can come to this showroom and we'll guide you here to take the sample, to test the sample, to see how it looks like finally. Why this showroom is more powerful? I think that's one thing is the sample. So before you check online, possible you check on Alibaba, you don't believe it. You just see a very nice photo, but when you get the sample, maybe you feel disappointed. In here, you can touch the sample, you can test it, you can touch it, you know the material, you know the weight. So at first, you can guarantee the toys quality is what you want. Most important, when you come to here, you can just take the sample. If we apply, talk with the factory, so you can test it, you can show it to your customers, you can show these toys to your kids, to ask your kids to play it, to make sure this one, the quality, everything is match your selling, and then later you can place the order. So 100% guarantee safety. So if you wanted to take the sample of developing a toy business, you need variety sample. We recommend you have to come to Shantou showroom, and then we guide you to connect with more than 5,000 different kind of factory. In this way, you have more stable key supply chain for your business. Okay, if you're running business on US, Europe, or Japan, of course, the safety for the toy is very important. When you sell your toys, possible you are asking for the certificate. In Shantou here, I think 95% of toys, they pass the certificate. Of course, different countries, they have different requirements. For example, these suppliers, they have the EN71 certificate, 7P, 62115, ASTM. If you are selling the toys on Europe, so they will ask EN71. If you are selling toys on the US, they will ask ASTM. Of course, if you're from other country, you can let us know what kind of certificate you were asking. We will ask the factory to send the sample to the lab and issue the certificate you need. Okay, let me summarize. Shantou Toys is not a wholesale market, but it's a good place for the factory to show global buyer the sample. In here, you can find premium, good quality product with very nice variety packaging option. Of course, all the factory here, they provide the ODM and OEM service, and with all kinds of certificate you need. If you need to develop the toys, here is the best place for you to visit. If you import toy from China, you wanted to build up your toy brand, I think this place you have to come here. For TonySourcing, we provide service for you to sourcing over 5,000 different kind of factory in one place. You can just spend 2 or 3 days to stay here and then check all the sample here. We will help you to build up, design your own brand toy with the packaging, with the design, with the color. So thank you for watching this video. If you are interested, you can leave the comments below what kind of toys you are interested in, and we will send you the matching toy catalog for you for reference. And then if you decide to visit here, we provide guide service and the order follow-up service for you to have an easy trip to China Shantou here to find out all the toy manufacturing. Okay, thank you.